A single sneeze can release up to 40,000 droplets containing harmful bacteria and viruses. These pathogens can cause illnesses like the common cold, flu, and COVID-19. But don't worry, by taking simple steps like covering your mouth when you sneeze or cough and washing your hands regularly, you can help protect yourself and those around you from harmful germs. So let's marvel at the incredible world of microbiology and do our part to stay healthy and happy. And don't forget that